Hi everybody. Okay. Hi everybody. Welcome to another video. I know my voice sounds different because I am still Luka, Icy's friend. And I used to be Extreme Sports if you don't know me. If you know, so you might know me better that way. For those of you who've been with the channel. It's really awesome. It's too bad you can't see my screen, but oh, and here I am. Wow!
Yep, that's still Luka.
Okay, see you later. Okay, and so what to do? So, welcome to. So, welcome to. We have a game. We have started a new game of tag, where you have to go. Where if you watch this video, even the intro, you have to go write a certain comment on another YouTuber's post. The first one we're attacking is Preston Plays. So let's do this. So the first thing you gotta do is comment out comment a challenge that everyone knows he would not like.
By the way,
so this is going to be the challenge. So this is going to be where your comment. Hey Preston, why don't you do a challenge for where you go a whole 24 hours without any screens?
Yeah, and so wait, can I have it?
Yeah. Okay, it's me, Icy here. Also, we only tag kid-friendly YouTubers, so don't worry if you're afraid that they aren't kid-friendly. They totally are. 100%. I wouldn't do that to you if they weren't kid-friendly YouTubers. Yeah, okay. Preston Plays.
Yeah, and one more thing.
Always comment on their latest videos. That's the only videos they'll read comments on. So always go comment on their latest videos, and I would recommend, if it's something Minecraft related, do like Preston Plays. But if it's something vlog related, you can go to do Unspeakable. But if your parents don't let you watch vlogs, you can always go to I think they'll respond to any comment on their YouTube channel.
Yeah, just go to it.
Just go to it, comment. You don't even watch it. Just go to it, pause the video, and comment, and then go out.
Well, now, me personally, I'm going to find his latest video and tag him back.
Okay.
After this video, so
come on in. Oh, darn it, I just fell. By the way, we were doing a video like a minute ago. My tablet was glitching out, so sorry about that. There's a crafting table over here still, Luka.
Do you have any iron that I could use to shield? And I need to return your phone to the field from the off camera.
Oh yeah.
Thing that I did.
Okay.
Hold on. Eject.
Yeah, he lighted a ton of creeper. Oh, he lighted a ton of creepers.
Oh. Why do you have lava?
What?
Why do you have lava in your middle?
Oh, for netherwort. I'm growing netherwort. Don't touch the netherwort either, because if you know anything about netherwort will burn you. Where'd the netherwort go?
Wait, netherwort burns you?
Yeah, if you touch it. Oh, it's in my potion brewing.
I'm gonna launch myself into the fiery shoot. Hells of the nether.
The hellfires of the nether?
Yep.
Hey, if you're up for it. Only the best can survive.
Oh, I'm
Okay, I've played survival with my friend, with one of my friends. His name is something Eagle. I'll try to get back to you on that, but make sure you check out his YouTube video once I tag him on the next video.
Wait. Who do you play with?
I can't remember his name. I don't know if he does Minecraft videos or not, but because I haven't watched him, I guarantee you he is kid friendly.
Because he is a kid.
Duh. Yeah,
Maybe we should tag him sometime.
Yeah, tag him sometime. Yes.
Oh,
Okay.
maybe say something you like though, because he is your friend. Like harass your sister.
He is my friend.
Like harass your sister.
Yeah, he hates his sister, but no, not that. No, don't tell him to do that.
Oh yeah. By the way, his sister is creamy.
Yeah, creamy. I just jumped. Ooh, yay. XP. Time to get my diamond pick and get some obsidian.
What? You got diamonds?
Oh, did I thought you started out with a diamond pick last time.
No, I didn't.
I gave you last time you were on. I gave you a diamond pick.
I was Extreme Sports, and every time you change your name, you lose all your stuff.
Wow, just wow.
I'll find out it's on my own.
Okay. Actually, take 3 of them from my junk chest. Actually, no. I'll give you 3.
You call diamonds junk.
No. Okay. I'll give you 3 of mine.
So
Come.
Okay. I don't want to.
Okay. Yeah, that's right. I did start with 2 diamond picks, so one of them is basically like 0, basically 0. Yeah, so what do you want to do today still, Luka?
Oh, I'm not sure. Maybe do a different video altogether.
Oh, come on.
Just kidding.
Do you want to make renovations to my new house?
Yeah, where is it?
Here, I'll show you. I think you probably already know, though.
Actually, oh wait, I know what I'm watching.
Yeah.
We'll build home base HQ for me.
Okay.
You know, like the hot spot of every.
I'll help you. What materials are you gonna?
I don't need help.
Are you sure?
I'm sure. All I need is a few materials that you have randomly got. All you need is.
Where are you gonna make this?
I'm not entirely sure yet. I'm going to search the world.
We should make our houses close together.
I think something close to spawn.
Yeah.
Something that I can walk to. Maybe something by that forest, though. It is ridden with creepers, so maybe not.
Yeah.
Maybe something right by your helicopter.
Yeah. So that guys, if you want Minecraft to be able to so that you're able to craft command blocks, just go over to Mojang and be like, we want to be able to craft command blocks. And hopefully, well, still Luka's just burning to death.
Oh,
And was killed by a magma cube. Wow.
Yeah.
2 and 1. No offense to Luka.
Hey, did you offend me?
I don't know. Did I?
Yes, you did. I want something close to spawn, something right by the media layer, something I don't have to walk to get to.
Oh, by the way, we are gonna do a season 2. Want to know how season 1's end?
What?
Season 1 ends
What?
the most dramatic way.
What?
A volcano. The volcano blows up. I'll try and do a Minecraft animation of like the volcano blowing up and both of us in my helicopter just evacuating. Just that would be cool, right?
I know.
Just gathering all our stuff and just having an iron bar. Imagine just having an iron bar, an iron like a thick stone wall pole, that leads down to your house, just being held, and all my houses, and we just evacuate, and then it shows us going to another world, another Minecraft world. That would be nice. If you guys want to see that animation, drop a like. 30 likes by the end of the season, and that animation, wait, 30 or 40 likes by the end of the season, and you get it.